it's your girl Special Nicole, and I am back with another YouTube video. Today we are going to talk about something that y'all love, which is hairstyles and how I style my micro locks when it is time or almost time for a retie. So my hair right now, I am probably 6-7 weeks post retie, so it's time for me to get in here and do my head. But if I'm being honest, I love when my hair looks this way, like when I have some new growth, because I feel like we get volume, we get body, we get, it just, I don't know, I just like it here. So this is when I kind of test out different styles, first being braid outs. Braid outs are my #1 go-to when it's almost time for me to retie my hair. Right now you can see this braid out. I threw some braids in my hair last night and took them out this morning. No product involved. I didn't even really spray my hair actually. Just braided them, put some rubber bands on the ends, and here we are. So I'm gonna give y'all a few moments to enjoy this braid out before I start manipulating it and showing you some of my favorite styles to wear post retie. Alright, so that's just a quick shot of what my hair is looking like today. So let's jump straight into the hairstyles. So when it comes to styling your hair when you're post retie, of course you want to try to not have too much manipulation going on because you do have a lot of new growth and you don't want to possibly snap your micro locks, especially with your base being loose. And you also probably want to try to cover up some of that new growth. Me personally, I don't care, it doesn't bother me, but the braid outs kind of camouflage the new growth. Another style that I do is going to be a kind of braided headband style to hide the front new growth and kind of hide it, camouflage what's going on underneath. So let's get into that look. First, you're going to want to separate the front section of your hair from the back. It doesn't have to be a super large section, just big enough to get a nice size braid. About this much is what I'm working with. Okay, so I've already placed a little scrunchie up top to kind of just have my section here. Actually, no, makes more sense to put scrunchie across the back because we're not doing anything with that right now. Next, you're going to just French braid across the front or do a plait across the front of your head. I'm going to start, I like going and having it go across this way. So again, it's just going to be a braid. And you want to do it loosely because you want it to kind of take up a large amount of space on top of your head. First time I did this style, it took me forever to get the braid right. So be patient with yourself also. Alright, and then once you have it braided down, you want to spread it out. So just pulling and loosening up the braid some. Okay, because you want to be gentle with your hair because you are post retie, so like I said, your base is loose and fragile. Now you can take out the back section, fluff it. Then you're going to find a place where you can neatly pin and secure your headband. Just pick up a section of hair in the back and just tuck it under there. So that's why it's helpful to have a braid out, because your hair is, like I said, it has the volume. You can use it to fluff and hide up this hairpin section back here beneath your hair. And there we go, a style. Alright, so that is look number, well, I guess it's look number 2 since the braid out is look number 1. So look number 2 is this headband, half do, updo kind of style. We are camouflaging our new growth. It is all nice and neat and tucked away. And retie, we're good to go here. Let's move on. Alright, so the braid is down and we are going to move on to the next style. It is also going to be another style where we're going to be camouflaging our new growth in the front of our head. So this is one of my favorites and it's probably the most simple one there is. We are going to simply do a swoop in the front and tuck, pin, and go. So I'm going to do a side part. So carrying all of my hair to the other side. Now I'm going to kind of try to swoop this. This is easier when your braid out isn't as fresh, so because your curl pattern won't be so tight. But I'm going to take a section of the front, probably about this much is going to be good enough, and I am going to simply create a bang. And then once I get it swooped as best as I can, I'm leaving this out beneath it. So this is kind of a swoop in between hair. I'm going to pin that section that I just showed y'all and the section that's behind it. So this is our swoop here, the section that's behind it. Also, ignore my nails. My nail appointment's tomorrow, but I wanted to get a girls a video today. Wait, back to our regular program. I'm gonna take the section that was behind it and just fluff it out over the section that I just pinned to kind of camouflage it. And then all you do is just fix your swoop so it's kind of more on your forehead. And then I like to tuck behind my ear. That's optional. You can leave it down over your ear if you like, but my go-to is behind my little ear. And fluff, and done. What y'all think about this one? Simple, right? Even though we have a little new growth exposed, but that's okay. Like I said, the braid out will help you. Start there. Braid out. And then style. It's my favorite time of the, I would say, year, the month, the period. I don't know. I love it here. I love it here. I wish my hair could stay like this all the time. What y'all think about this look? Yay or nay? I think it's the perfect date night look. It's cute. Gives you a little pizzazz, a little sassiness. You know, I'm here for it. Let's move on. All right, we are going to build off of this hairstyle that we have here. So I am now going to do my signature half up, half down, but we are going to keep our bang where she is, and we're just going to pick up the sides to create a little, either a bun or a ponytail, whichever one is your preference. So let's jump into that. So I am going to just take a small section. I'm okay with leave out like this because it belongs here, but it fell out. I'm okay with that. And I'm going to pick up whatever is not a part of our bun. So it'll be our bang. So it'll be a small section. I'll take a rubber band for now and put it on top of this little section here. Don't worry, we'll get there. So now I need to doctor up this side over here. I'm just going to pick up the remaining pieces that are left of this front bang, and I'm just going to pin them up. And then now that I have that pinned up, I'm gonna create a little top knot bun, wrap it around and pin as I go. And this is our next look. And the proof is in the pudding. I actually wear my hair like this. I have photos to show y'all too. But if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen the looks before. But this is so simple, so easy. It's cute, dressed up, dressed down. We have us a style. I'm trying to tell y'all can't go wrong. The braid out, everything looks good. So what y'all think? Y'all feeling this one? Or which one is your favorite? Let me know what your favorite look was down in the comment section. All right, and I think I got one more look for y'all. So let's move on to it. Okay, so we are back. I took the bun down, but I kept the swoop. Now for our last style, we're going to put everything up, away, kind of just a nice tuck and roll style featuring the swoop. So for the tuck and roll, I'm going to start with our loose side first, and I'm just going to carry it to the back and just tuck and roll. And when I'm tucking and rolling, I'm literally taking my hair, I'm not twisting it. I'm just picking it up and rolling it into itself. And then I'm going to place hairpins to hold. All right. And now I'm going to do the same thing with this side. And once I get to the back, you see that it's kind of like having a large ponytail, which you could do a pony right here, girl. So you got your pony, if we want to stop there. I want a bun, so I'm gonna take a rubber band, gather in that section that's free in the back. So again, you could stop here, have your pony, and that be your style. Cute. I'm going to just make me a bun. The same way I do any of the other buns, just tucking and pinning. I'm sorry I didn't see that, but however you make your bun. Of course, it's not gonna be neat. Ooh, ain't she cute? So what y'all think? Again, drop your favorite looks down in the comment section. All of these styles are meant to be free-flowing, to embrace the new growth and the frizz that you're experiencing because you're in between your reties. Just because you're in between reties does not mean you have to not style your hair. These are also some simple, easy hairstyles that you can achieve in 5 minutes or less. They're some of my favorite ones, or my favorite ways to wear my hair when I reach that time, when it's that time of the month. So that's all I have for y'all. Let me take this cape off. Ooh. That's all I have for y'all. Again, drop your favorite looks down in the comment section. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow microloc friend, or someone who's interested in microlocs, or someone who you think just may enjoy my content. I appreciate y'all for watching and kicking it with me. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.